Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. You might hear some music because that's my sister. I think it's off. No? Well, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. So far, I have my high score is 700,000 million. What? Okay, thank you. And I have the ninja and the hoverboard I use is the Daredevil. Leave in the comments to ask what characters I have and tell me what, and I'll tell you if I have them. Leave a comment, and if you want me to use a character, just tell me. So I know I say this in almost all my Subway Surfer videos, but I probably won't be talking that much because I need to concentrate. Maybe after this I might do a little vlog, but I don't know. I can't see the future, but maybe. Oh God! I have 8 keys, whatever. Just use it. So far, my high score is like 700,000 something. I just beat my friend Anthony's high score. You might have seen him in the videos on my channel. That's my brother Tyconnie. If you haven't seen his channel, then go check it out. He plays Minecraft almost every day. He plays UHC, Hunger Games. And, no. Jump, bling, 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 bling. Oh God, I hit the roof. That was funny. Oops. And I have another channel that I'm setting up today. It's called Citrix Boss. Go check that out. It's gonna be on my phone. That channel's on my phone. Then I could play more games, cause then I could play on my tablet and stuff. And I could do Minecraft. So far up here, you can see when I get the double, oops, oh God, no. You can see up here, I have 30, oh my God, I keep on not paying attention, 30 thing. And if you wanna see how, I got the double coins, I'm already up to Master Pack. I have 335 hoverboards. Is that crazy, guys? Let's see. Oh, my phone. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get a mystery box. Please? Spike's guitar. Come on, come on. Not bad, not bad. Come on, come on. Why do I keep getting that? I don't like that. So far, you can see my high score. That's my brother down there, Tyconnie. Go check out his channel. That's my friend Anthony. Go check out his channel. His channel is called My Friend Max 1. And that's my sister. Better than all of us. Cassidy. I'm just gonna... Oh yeah, I used all of that. So awesome. And my friend Anthony, when I got all this stuff, he was like, okay, Noah, for once I'm saying it, I'm jealous. And I was like, mm-hmm. Yeah, because I'm awesome. I'm not the best, but I'm good. I just say that I'm awesome for a confident boost. Don't take any of that serious. I'm not that good. There's way better people than me. Sorry, I had to concentrate. Oh my, what? That was so unfair. Should I? Nah, I don't have. Nah. This is the last run. Oh God. This is the last thing I'm gonna do. Yay. Come on. Oh, that's the way to end it, guys. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. 2,500 coins. Bye.